News 4 Midday starts now.
And a new push to vaccinate some of D.C.'s most vulnerable residents. Right now, the district's Department of Health running a mobile clinic to help get the homeless vaccinated. News 4's Justin Finch explains why this effort is so important.
Here, these are the folks from DHS who are going to be helping to track that data, which is so important to make.
Set up outside the Western Presbyterian Church, a pop-up effort pulled together to vaccinate those experiencing homelessness in the district.
They don't have the opportunity to necessarily determine who's going to be sleeping next to them or who's going to be coughing on them or those types of things. So they are an extraordinarily vulnerable population, and it's extraordinarily important that we help them be protected.
Dr. Ann Carldile from Unity Healthcare is part of the team administering the vaccine in partnership with D.C.'s Department of Human Services and Miriam's Kitchen. No IDs are required in hopes of not deterring those without them or are undocumented. The effort aims to vaccinate 100 people with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which only requires one shot.
So important for people who are, for instance, experiencing homelessness, especially unsheltered homelessness, because it can be difficult for them to come back 4 weeks later to get the exact same shot.
It gives me great joy to see so many of our guests getting this kind of protection from a really deadly disease.
Scott Schenkelberg, CEO of Miriam's Kitchen, says his agency, which distributes meals here for those in need, took on the urgent task of guiding them as well through the pandemic.
So one of our jobs among many is to help educate them on basic health care issues, including the necessity of taking precautions around COVID-19 and, of course, the vaccine.
The district and its partners are looking forward to more events like this one, but they say it's largely dependent upon the number of doses that they get in first. In Northwest, I'm Justin Finch, News 4.
And that mobile clinic will be administering the Johnson & Johnson vaccine until 4 o'clock today.